Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is Riya here. I'm back with another धांसू सा makeover video. You can see already क्या हालत थी इस जगह की और how I've transformed it बिल्कुल zero budget में, and I'm this happy, so I posted my pic and let's start working. It's again in very budget and only zero money I have invested. So I had all these mattresses and these cushions, so I just created a floor sitting with the help of this. You can use anything you have, just cushions or piles of cushions or small chair cushions to create a sitting like so. Sorry for my bad throat again, don't mind please. This I'm tasting, it's really very soft. I will use a curtain so that it matches the room ambience. You can use any bedsheet or dupatta or saris for creating this floor sitting, and really you can create it in a zero budget like I'm doing. So I'm using this curtain because this is very pretty and it has brilliant shine and it will match the whole ambience. So let's create the sitting right now, tucking it nicely so that I have no loose ends. It's not that equal, but it's perfectly fine because when we will sit, it have to get pushed in, so no problem if it's not so much fine or not so much precise. Don't worry about it. Just keep on putting cushions, various colors, various shapes and sizes, anything you like to. So add color in them. I am putting all these cushions that I had. So I'm adding this cane tool just to have a cozy corner effect. Likewise, if we sit in the floor sitting, and we can enjoy some cup of tea or books, or we can keep our knickknacks and just putting a vase to add more floral effect. I'm using this tray plate. You can see I bought it from Vishal, only 19 rupees. I'm adding my glasses and these two cups. I'm giving you an example how you can enjoy your cup of coffee or tea while sitting. So time to reveal. Let's enjoy this final look. I hope you will enjoy this look and you get some ideas how to decorate in zero budget. If you do, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care, bye bye, keep decorating. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like that video. प्लीज़ 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 टिंग 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 वाला नोटिफिकेशन बेल ज़रूर दबाइए ताकि आपको नोटिफिकेशंस मिल जाए जब भी मैं कोई नया वीडियो अपलोड करूं. ओके गाइस, बाय.